Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to today's video. Today I got the Sephora Favorites Lash to Go, the Christmas one. So it's a sample set. I paid $38 for it. And it's worth $71 Canadian value. So you get a bite, a milk, a Huda, a Pat McGrath, and a Too Faced by the Sex Mascara. So I'm going to do multiple part videos like I did the last one and see which one I like. But for example, like the bite I already tried. So you get the card. Or did I? I don't know. Yeah, I did. So like the bite one, I will post that video up in the cards, me testing it out. The milk, I'm gonna give that one a second try, but today I am going to do the Pat McGrath Labs Dark Star Mascara. I get a Too Faced of the Huda milk. I'm gonna give milk a second try because I'm pretty sure I tried that one. I'm pretty sure I can't remember if I did that one or not. Can't remember that one was in the last kit. Milk, makeup, Kush High Volume Mascara and Boom. And then when I try that's Mascara Volume Intense Kush. Okay, so they're different ones. Okay, good to know. The only one I'm not going to be testing out of this kit is because I already enjoy it, and I'll let the video, link the video up in the cards. And the Too Faced one, I have tried that one in the past. Do I give that one a try? I don't know. I really didn't care for it, honestly, because honestly, I can get the Lash Paradise. It's a much to do for it anyhow. So yeah, it's good. This is what the one looks like for the Pat McGrath. So I'm going to do a full layer test of it, seeing which one I like out of this kit. On the eyes today, I am wearing the Pat McGrath Mothership Mega. Again, so. The mascara is building nicely on the lashes. So far, the Pat McGrath one has applied just like any other mascara. Applied really good. But the thing is, this is where I enjoy it. Where is they all look the same, go the same whatsoever. But I'm just looking for it if it doesn't flake throughout the day, because out of all of them in this, out of this one, Pat McGrath is probably the most high ticket item in this kit. And I'll say probably the Too Faced one is the cheapest one out of it. But also the Too Faced one, you can also get the dupe of the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So I might do, when I do that one, I might do L'Oreal one and Too Faced on the other. So let's see how well this goes for the rest of the day. And I'll see you guys when I get home from work. Hey guys, I'm back from work. Well, I've been home for quite a few hours. I got off like at 4 o'clock. So I am doing my final check-in on the Pat McGrath Labs Dark Star Mascara in Extreme Black. I'm very just like, I was like hoping it will be a lot better than I expected. It's like my mascara is not even there anymore, and my under eye area is like really dark too, type thing. It's like dark underneath my eyes here. I feel like a smudge a little bit. I don't know. I was hoping it to be better, very least. I was very disappointed in it. Like, I was hoping it to work out, because out of this kit here, I was knowing it would be the one I was hoping I could probably pick up, because I know I would have got my dollar out of it. Because it is I was like looking up at it, the price of it, if I get full size, it would have been the $40 price tag. Yeah, so it's $40 for it. And yeah, it's a 4-star review on it. So I'll give it a try another day. So I'll see if I like it another day. But yeah. Ooh. And then the Huda. Yeah, I'm gonna get probably the one that don't price the. Oh my god. Yeah, so the full size is 36 for Huda. And Bite is 37. So 30 if I get the, yeah. So yeah, I'm like, honestly, I was kind of bummed about it. So I'm not 100% sure if I'm not 100% like, I'm bummed that it didn't wear a lot longer than I expected. I was hoping more from it. So I am probably, the next one I'm going to test out is probably the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. Mascara volume. Curl length. So it's like, it's a 2-in-1, so I'm going to see if I like it or not. And then the Kush. That one I did review and I didn't care for it. Because I think it was more or less for the wand I didn't like. Because the Bite yes, Bite and Huda has almost exact same wand. But I find the formula lasts longer on the Bite than it did the Huda did. Okay. And then Too Faced. I'm not a huge fan of Too Faced in general. Yeah, because it's almost the exact same wand as yeah, so I might do a lash battle with these two. So yeah, I was kind of very disappointed and was hoping it to be better. I was hoping to be, I wanted to pick this one up. I'm like, oh, I wanted to get like out of this one. I'm like, I was actually excited to try and hoping it will be really good. Is the Pat McGrath, because I am no stranger to Pat McGrath shadows. So yeah. And I got other Pat McGrath stuff, so like I am no stranger to her stuff, so like I really do enjoy a lot of her formulas. But this one unfortunately was like, honestly, I think the first time that out of anything I've tried so far from Pat McGrath Labs was a complete bummer for me. I was hoping a little better. I will give it a second chance. But I was like, it's one of those things, it's like, I was very disappointed, and like I was hoping it will last longer, not like I legit went ham too, like with the mascara too, and it like feels like there's like nothing there. If anything right now is rubbing off my eyes is my eyeshadow. So yeah, my next one is legit gonna probably be Huda. So yeah, I am testing out this kit of different ones. This is a 5-piece kit. It trails for $37 price tag. It is a Lash Dash to go, the Christmas one. Because I know I tried one last one. It's in the tin can here. And yeah, if you want to see more videos of it, I will have the Bite Beauty one. I'm gonna try. I'll have the Bite Beauty review up in the cards because I did try that one before. I think I did a full day wear test. I can't remember if it was a full day. I can't remember. So yeah, I'll have it up in the cards. I do really enjoy that eye mascara. So yeah. Alright, I post new videos every Wednesday and Friday at 10 a.m. PST. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell, and I'll see you guys. Bye!